Xiaomi 17 Ultra debuts with Leica 1-inch camera, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, 6800 mAh battery, and new Leica edition. Xiaomi just dropped a bomb on the flagship world. This is the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. And if you're wondering where the 16 went, Xiaomi skipped it entirely. Why? To align their naming with the iPhone 17 series and signal that this isn't just an iteration, it's a massive leap in mobile photography. We're talking a physical zoom ring, a 200 megapixel continuous optical zoom, and a body that's thinner than ever. Let's dive in. Xiaomi has officially launched its latest flagship, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, at an event in China. Alongside the standard version, Xiaomi also introduced a special Leica edition featuring exclusive hardware and design elements. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra features a 6.9-inch M10 OLED LTPO flat display with a resolution of 268/1200 pixels and 420 ppi, approaching 2K clarity. The screen reaches a peak brightness of 3500 nits, supports HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and has an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. It offers DC dimming, 920Hz PWM dimming, and is protected by ceramic glass 2.0. For eye comfort, the device features TÜV Rheinland triple eye protection certification and full RGB pixel layout. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. The chipset includes two ultra-large 4.6 GHz Orion cores, 6 3.62 GHz performance cores, and an Adreno 840 GPU with 18 MB cache. Xiaomi has incorporated a dual ring-shaped liquid cooling pump, optimized for both CPU and camera heat dissipation, improving thermal conductivity by 50%. The phone runs Xiaomi HyperOS 3.0, offering a deeply integrated software experience. New ecosystem features allow Xiaomi phones to mirror and control Apple devices, including iPhones, iPads, and Macs. Xiaomi to Xiaomi and iPhone to Xiaomi two-way mirroring is also supported. The 17 Ultra focuses heavily on imaging. The main camera uses a 1-inch Light Fusion 1050L sensor co-developed with Leica, delivering 50 megapixel resolution and 14 EV native dynamic range. It incorporates low-fic ultra-dynamic range tech, promising unmatched night and backlit photography. The telephoto camera is a 200 megapixel Leica continuous optical zoom lens, supporting lossless optical zoom between 75mm and 100mm, extending digitally to 400mm. The system includes Leica's PO certification, 3G plus 5P floating lens, and supports 30cm telephoto macro shots. The ultra-wide sensor is a 50-megapixel shooter with a 150-degree FOV and 5cm macro support. On the front, a 50-megapixel selfie camera supports 4K 60fps recording. Under the hood, the phone is equipped with a massive 16800 mAh Jinshanjiang battery, the largest in any Xiaomi Ultra device. It supports 90 watts wired, 50 watt wireless, 22.5 watts reverse wired, and 20 watts reverse wireless charging. It also supports 90 watt PPS universal protocol for wider charger compatibility. The 17 Ultra weighs 223.4 grams and measures 8.29 millimeters thick, making it the thinnest Ultra to date. It features an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, USB-C 3.2, Gen 2, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC, and satellite communication support. The phone is rated IP66, IP68, and IP69 for water and dust resistance. If you're a mobile photographer, the continuous 200-megapixel zoom and low-fic tech make this the phone to beat in 2026. Is it worth the premium? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.